Our Pythagorean identity states that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is actually equal to 1. Alright, so we need to again express cos squared of a cos squared theta in terms of a if again tangent theta is equal to a. So also I think it's good to take note that um, tangent theta is equal to quotient identity. We have sine theta over cos theta. So in other words, a is just equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Alright? And then if we express sine in terms of cosine, we just cross multiply. This should give us sine theta is equal to a cos theta. Right? So using again our identity, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute sine equals a cos theta. So we're gonna write a cos theta squared plus cos squared theta equals 1. And then once we perform this square, this will become a squared cos squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. And then look at this. We actually have a common factor, right? Which is cos squared theta. So we'll try to factor the 1 out. So factor out cos squared theta. We are left with a squared plus 1 equals 1. Right? And then we need to express everything in terms of cos squared theta. So what we're just going to do is we divide everything by cos squared theta. No, a squared plus 1 I mean. So this will become cos squared theta is equal to 1 over a squared plus 1.